Hello Bladers! As you can see from the title, this topic is aiming to inform our drivers about the importance of taking care of their cars. There may be things that we neglect or take for granted. Warning signs that we ignore while driving. Owning a car can be a dream or a nightmare, depending on how well you take care of your vehicle. We put together a list of things to watch out for if you want to keep your car in condition for a long time. Welcome to our daily drive. Tips for the everyday driver. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. So, let's get to it. Here are 4 ways you could be killing your car. Number 1. Ignoring the check engine light. Ignoring an illuminated check engine light can result in serious engine trouble and costly repairs. At the very least, this warning light could alert you to an engine problem that is negatively impacting fuel economy. Number 2. Failing to change fluids and filters. Many fluids are required for the operation and protection of vehicle systems and components. Checking fluid levels regularly, along with the filters, helps ensure that your vehicle runs dependably and extends vehicle life. Number 3. Neglecting your tires. Your vehicle's tires should be checked frequently for inflation and tread depth. Underinflated tires can wear out more quickly, needing to be replaced sooner, and can negatively impact safety, gas mileage, and performance. Number 4. Keeping a dirty car. Allowing your car to go too long without a wash leads to buildup of damaging chemicals and dirt, increases the potential for rust from road salt, and interferes with proper visibility needed for safe driving. Do you agree with our list? Or did you have others to add? Drop us some comments. We would love to hear from you. Because auto care isn't always a top priority for car owners, they might not realize they are doing things that adversely affect the performance, safety, and value of their car. Routine maintenance can go a long way toward saving money, avoiding headaches, and protecting your vehicle investment. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on new releases. For more information, visit us at www.blade.ph. It's Blade, it's better.